Well, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the headlamp bulb on a 350Z. Now, so many people have asked me, have you got to take all this apart, all this and this? Now, you don't have to do that. You can do it from the arch liner down here. Now, you don't have to take the wheel off, but I am going to take the wheel off just so you can see what I'm doing a bit easier. Right, let's get started. I can now show you what I'm talking about. I'll give you a bit of a light on here as well. Okay, so obviously we know our headlamp's here, but we need to get in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this arch liner, which is very simple. You have a thing here, another one up here, and then this all comes out. There are proper clip things, but to be honest, I just use a flat-headed screwdriver and pop them out. That one's not in particularly very good condition as it was anyway. Then I've got one up here. Okay, so now this arch liner, move you back a little bit, this arch liner is now loose. Okay, it's tucked in at the bottom there, but we're not going to remove that section. We are literally just going to pull this one down, right, because then you can see the headlamp. So that was really simple. So what I am going to do is I'm going to cable tie this back to here. So, you're still here. Well, that's really cool. Thanks for staying. Hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and don't forget to check out our description. Well, let's get back to the video. Around the top hole here, get myself a nice big cable tie. Round the top hole here, on this. Round the shock work, round the shock, round this little top hole on this, up to get it out of the way. Round the shock work, round the shock, and then just tighten it up to get it out of the way. Easier said than done, obviously. Alright, take it straight off again. That was easier said than done, obviously. Right. Around the shock well, straight off again. We're in the right. Around the shock well. Right, we're in the. Now that's down out of the way. Okay, you can see. Right. Now that's down out of the way. Okay, you can see it gets a bit messy out here, under here actually, but without these arch liners, it does seriously get wet underneath here and messes up your headlamps. Right, so you have to undo these. Sometimes they can be a little bit tight, but I'm going to persevere. I say it doesn't want to come undone at all. See if we can just pop the, and there we go. I couldn't get it to spin, so I put a screwdriver in there and pop the seal. Make sure this seal's in good condition. It's not a bad idea to stick a little bit of sealant, not sealant, a bit of like a WD around that to make sure that there's no water going to get in. So we can take off our head connector. There's a head connector. And then we can just undo our head. And there's our head bulb. Right, so now all you need to do is fit it, is to locate it. You'll feel when it's located like that and it sits in. If you're unsure, if you carry on rotating until, look, you can see that literally just slid in. So I've rotated it around and then all of a sudden it slid all the way home. Right? You clip this back on, right, put your connector back on, right, do this back up, put your wheel back on, job done. Just putting it back together now, that's all gone back nicely. We've got a clip in the bottom here, we've got another clip up here, and then we've got one up here that I'm just about to put in. Then the car's back together, we just need to put the wheel back on.